Hello girls, welcome back to our English class. Materials needed for this session: your book, your literary companion book, your pen of course, your notebook, and your attentive mind because this is on grammar lesson. For today, we are to deal with infinitives and infinitive phrases. It is on your LC page 208 to 209. At the end of this session, you are expected to characterize infinitives and infinitive phrases, determine the function of infinitive phrases in sentences, and use infinitive phrases in meaningful sentences. What is an infinitive? An infinitive class looks like a verb, but it begins with to and it functions as your noun, your adjective, or adverb. So there are three functions of your infinitive. Let's take it one by one. But wait just a minute. This is the formula in your infinitive and infinitive phrase. To plus your verb. Remember, your verb should be in your base form. Okay? But it never functions as the verb in a sentence. Never, ever, ever, ever. The first function of your infinitive is a noun. It functions as a noun. As I said earlier, there are three functions, okay? But in your noun, under it could be your subject, it could be your direct object, it could be your predicate noun or your predicate nominative. Okay, first sentence. To leave the party would be rude. Your infinitive here is to leave. This functions as your subject because it is at the beginning of your sentence and it is the subject in the sentence. Next, no one wants to stay. Where is your infinitive here? To stay. And the function of this is still a noun, but this infinitive functions as your direct object. Why direct object? What does no one want to stay? It answers the question what. It is a direct object. Okay? Next, her goal is to win. Your infinitive here is to win. Still, to win here is a noun, but it functions as your predicate nominative or predicate noun. Why predicate noun? Because to win renames her goal. Did you get it? So these sentences, your infinitives function as noun. Second function of your infinitive is it functions as an adjective. Let's take this example. Samuel White is the candidate to watch this election. So where is your infinitive here? Your to plus your base form of the verb. Okay, it is to watch. To watch here functions as an adjective. Why? Which candidate is Samuel? The one to watch. To watch here gives more information about the candidate, Samuel White. And this is your big hint or clue in determining if it's an adjective or not. Your adjective, your infinitive, to plus what should comes immediately after the word it modifies, after the noun it modifies. So where is your noun here? The candidate. Candidate is a noun, so therefore to watch is an adjective. The third role or function of your infinitive is an adverb. Okay, let's see this example. We came to cheer. Your infinitive here is to cheer. It functions as an adverb. Why did they come? To cheer. So to cheer here gives more information about the verb came. If in your adjective it comes after the noun, it modifies here, your infinitive to cheer comes after the verb. Okay, so your verb here is came. So therefore, to cheer here is an adverb. It modifies it modifies the verb came. Now, what is an infinitive phrase? It is a phrase that begins with the infinitive plus all of its modifiers. Remember, your infinitive starts with to plus your verb and all its modifiers. That is what we call your infinitive phrase. Look at these sentences. To get a medical degree is her goal. Your infinitive is to get, and your infinitive phrase is to get a medical degree. Second, we have time to walk to the game. Your infinitive is to walk. So your infinitive phrase is to walk to the game. And last, he is eager to give Corey the award. Your infinitive is to give, and your infinitive phrase is to give Corey the award. So your main hint or clue of your infinitive phrase, it begins with infinitive. To plus base form of the verb. Okay, I think you're now ready to do your task. Open your book on page 209. Answer, practice, and apply. Okay, again, that's it for today. Goodbye, girls.